video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper ice cream. So this is a very easy way of making a paper ice cream, and it is useful too. So you can use this for playing with your dolls, you can keep this as a home decor, and it is also realistic, so you can also use it for pranking your friends. So now let's get started and we'll see how to make this beautiful realistic ice cream. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first step we have to do to get this beautiful ice cream is that I'm taking a rectangular piece of paper. So this paper is for the ice cream cone. So I'm going to be taking orange paper because my ice cream cone is going to be orange. So you guys can take any color you'd like. So the first step we're supposed to be doing is that I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm going to be cutting out something from this rectangle. So I'm just going to be keeping the paper like this and I'm cutting it out slowly. So it should be like a curved structure over here, and I'm just cutting it like this so that we'll get a structure like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm just going to be rolling this to get the perfect size. So we're not supposed to be gluing it right now. I'm just going to be rolling it and seeing if we get the perfect size over here. So I'm just rolling it at the bottom part over here. So I'm doing this slowly like this. So now I just fold it to get the measurable part. So the next step is that I'm going to be taking a pencil and I'm just going to be drawing lines over here for the waffles in the ice cream cone. So you guys can use a ruler if you want. I'm just going to be using my hand to draw it. I'm not going to be using a ruler. So you guys can use it to get the accurate measure, but I'm not using it as I said before. So we have to do this slowly like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be drawing straight lines now over here. So as I said before, you guys use a ruler to make it perfect. I'm not using a ruler. But for the first ice cream cone I made, I used a ruler. But now I'm used to making ice cream cones, so I'm just doing it as such because I've practiced this a lot. So I know how to make it. So if you're just a beginner, please use a ruler or a scale to make it perfect. You can also use a rectangular box or something that is rectangular in shape and it's strong. So as I said, I'm better doing this, already completed this. So after we complete this, we'll get a structure like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm going to be turning the paper like this, and we're supposed to be rolling this part over here like this. So I'm just rolling this over here slowly. We have to do this so that the bottom part is small and pointy like this. So you guys can make it more pointy if you like. So now I'm just going to be taking some tape. One sec. So after we take some tape, I'm just going to be sticking this tape onto the bottom part of the paper over here. So I'm just sticking it slowly. So now I'm just going to be taking another strip of tape like this. So be careful while using a tape that contains blades because you guys can cut your hand maybe. So now I'm just going to be sticking the other part on the top part over here. So now our cone is ready. So we are supposed to keep this aside, and I'm taking a yellow piece of paper for the top part of the ice cream. So for the creamed part. So you guys can take any color you'd like. I'm just taking this to make a yellowish flavor. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm going to be folding the paper in half. Now I'm turning the paper to the opposite side and I'm folding the paper in half one more time. One sec, yeah. The next step is that I'm going to be folding the paper diagonally like this. And I'm going to be turning the paper to this side and I'm folding it diagonally. So I'm just sealing the edges so that it is nice and strong. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm just going to be pressing one side of the paper like this, and I'm folding the other side on top of it like this, and I'm folding this part back. So now we just have to press on it like this. So after we complete this, I'm just taking this part of the paper and I'm folding it to the other part. All sides to one side like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm going to be rolling this part over here. So I'm just going to be rolling it like this. So I'm just going to be rolling it slowly from the top part to the bottom. So after we complete this, I'm just opening this part over here. So we have to do this slowly and we'll get a structure like this. So now I'm going to be repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So I'm just rolling it in this direction like this. So after we complete this, I'm just unfolding this part and we'll get a structure like this. So I'm just going to be rolling it one more time. I'm going to be rolling each strip like this for more decoration. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm taking the ice cream cone. I'm just going to be cutting the top part out so that we get a perfect cone-like structure like this. So now I'm just going to be taking this part and I'm just going to be squeezing in over here to make to see if it fits the size. So this one is a little more bigger. So I'm just going to be cutting the paper one more time to get the perfect size, because if you make it more big then it won't be good. So now I'm just going to be trying to squeeze this part over here. Now it's perfect. So I'm going to be taking a glue bottle again and I'm going to be applying some glue on this part of the paper over here onto the back part like this. So I'm just going to be using my hand to spread the glue. You guys don't have to use it. So I'm just going to be using my hand because it is more easy for me. So applying glue on the front and back part of the ice cream. So now I'm just going to be taking the ice cream and I'm just going to be sticking this part over here. And I'm going to be sticking the other part over there as well. So we have to do this slowly. I'm just squeezing this part in and I'm pressing on it from both the sides. So after we complete this, we just have to press on it and our paper ice cream will be ready. So this is a very easy way of making a paper ice cream and it is useful too. So before we conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends so that you'll get more interesting and beautiful videos like this. So I want to thank you all for supporting me and my channel, and I will see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye for now.